Okay, so I've been wanting to pierce my septum for a while, and you know, last time it didn't go so well, but now I know what I'm doing a little more than before. So I'm gonna go into this, commit, and I'm not gonna take a long time. I hope. So I got some jewelry from this tattoo shop, and it wasn't like sterilized. So I just like cleaned it up at home, and you know, praying for the best. Stinky. Because I was reading these sweet, beautiful comments, super nice, super cool people. But some of it was actually really helpful. A lot of people, I don't know if it was a lot, but I know somebody was like, oh, you should get medals. Good recommendation, very good. Sorry, that's out of budget, but it was, I got the shape instead, this, which is gonna make it a whole lot easier, because it's just gonna have like a tube. I'm gonna just push the tube in. I hope that this is big enough. It should be though, deadass. It really should be. I don't know if I should put it on, but can't really go in there. Hopefully this is, but I don't know. I mean, I'm scared, but it's okay. We'll try it out. God is good. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did it again. I did it. Oh my God, I actually did it. Okay, I did it. Holy shit, I did it. Oh God, I did it. I hope to God that I did it right and like I got the good area. Finally got this achievement unlocked once again.